Namaste. And a very warm welcome to you too, yoga. Warm being the operative word because today we're talking all about half sun salutations. In Sanskrit it's called Ardha Surya Namaskar Asana. The wonderful thing about this lovely sequence of asanas is that it's very energizing and it helps the Manipur chakra or the solar plexus chakra here. If you can imagine beautiful golden yellow the entire time that we're doing this. It's a very warming and masculine sequence of asanas, so please make sure to do it first thing in the morning or before the sun is at its zenith. If not, then sometimes people can find that they're so energized that it's very difficult for them to get to sleep at night. So Surya Namaskar Asana of any description should really only be done first thing in the morning, preferably before food, or any time up to the zenith of the sun in the day. So let's begin. The first thing I want to show you is Tadasana, which is just standing pose. If you can imagine that your feet should be around hip width apart, your hips are here, they should be pointing out just a tiny bit, and in the middle, in between your feet, there should be 1 foot's width in between your feet, like so. We should have the tailbone curled under, lifting up through the spine, chest facing forwards, shoulders back and down, but in a lifting the neck and lifting the crown of the head up to the sky. You can have your hands facing forwards, palms facing forwards, or into Jyan Mudra, whichever is your preference. This is your practice, as I always say. So now I've showed you Tadasana, we need to be facing the front of your mat. Standing tall in Tadasana, let's take a few deep breaths in. Really feel your feet centered in the ground. Feel the energy of Mother Earth rising up through your feet and all the way up your spine to the top of your head. So much energy is involved in this sequence of asanas. Next, inhale, bringing your arms up and to your ears and slightly back bend, and exhale, folding forwards from the hips, down, slowly we go, just as down as far as you can reach. On the next inhale, we're going to come up to halfway with a nice flat back. You can have your hands on your shins, careful if you're on your knees or on your thighs. Then the next exhale, we're going to release back down to the floor again. So exhale down. If you can, bring your head towards your knees. Next inhale, coming up, lengthen the spine, use your arms, bring your arms up and over, little bit of a back bend, and then bring hands into Namaskar Mudra at your chest. Let's just go through it slowly once more. Inhale, use your arms to lift and slight back bend. Exhale, folding forwards from the hips, down as far as you can manage today. Listen to your body. Inhale, coming up to halfway, flat back, shoulders down, away from your ears. Exhale, back to the earth. Inhale, coming up, use your arms. Back bend, exhale to Namaskar Mudra. We'll go through it one more time slowly, and then we'll do 4 of these sequences together. Inhale, back bend, exhale, fold. Inhale, up to halfway, flat back. Exhaling down, inhaling all the way up, back bend, exhale to Namaskar Mudra. One more time, inhale up, back bend, exhale, folding forwards, Inhale, coming up to halfway, looking forwards, flat back. Exhale down. Inhaling up, back bend. Exhale to Namaskar Mudra. Wonderful. Let's do this sequence 4 times through together. Find your balance within the feet. Lift your toes, spread them. Happy toes. Lift up, tuck the tailbone in. Inhaling, lift the arms, back bend, exhale forwards. Inhale up to halfway, looking forwards, flat back. Exhale down. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to Namaskar Mudra, that's 1. Inhaling up, back bend. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, looking forwards, flat back, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale down. Inhaling up. Exhale to Namaskar. Inhale up, back bend. Exhale forwards. Inhale halfway. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale up. Exhale, folding forwards. Inhale, coming up to halfway. Exhaling down. Inhale all the way up. And exhale to Namaskar Mudra. Feel the blood rushing through your body, energizing you, cleansing you, warming through. This is a wonderful practice to start your day, to energize you, give you energy and strength, positivity, and determination. Namaste.